The Scottish Prison Service has spent 7 times more money on solicitor fees and fatal accident inquiries than bereaved families have received in legal aid. The figures were obtained by analyzing 32 FAE and prisoner deaths in the last 2 years. Campaigners say legal aid must be made available for all families bereaved by state-related deaths. In the current system, only families who apply and pass financial eligibility tests can have their solicitor fees at FAE paid by the taxpayer. Of 32 completed FAE since the start of 2018, just 9 families got help from the Scottish Legal Aid Board (SLAB). The total cost amounted to £46,000, but the true figure will be higher as 3 cases couldn't be traced by SLAB. Pullman suicide woman Katie Allen's mum Linda, Image, PA, read more. The Scottish Prison Service, SPS, had legal representation at every hearing paid for by the public. The governing body paid £137,969 to Glasgow-based legal firm Anderson Strathern for its work at the hearings. A further £184,768 has been billed by the same firm for the provision of legal advice for FAE yet to be concluded. It brings the total legal bill to £322,737 since the start of last year. Read more top news stories today. The biggest lawyer cost for the SPS was for legal advice after the death of Daniel McSweeney. The 54-year-old died in Glenachiel Jail in 2014 from an accidental heroin overdose. At an FAI, a sheriff rapped prison bosses for failing to investigate drug crime in the Clackmann and Shire Jail. The SPS spent more than £18,195 on representation at the hearing. The NHS and the trade union representing prison officers also had legal representation. McSweeney's family got legal aid and had a lawyer there, but the bill was just £6,850. The suicide of Katie Allen, 21, in Pullman Jail, near Falkirk, in June 2018 will be investigated at an FAI. Her family won't get legal aid. Katie's mum Linda said, "We'll have to face legal teams from the SPS, the NHS and the Prison Officers Union, funded mainly from the public purse. Yet we will have to fund our own fight, while still grieving." Lawyer Aamer Anwar, Image, Daily Record, read more. Something is wrong. Lawyer Aamer Anwar, who represents Katie's family, said, "Over 2 decades, I've watched the prison service use public money to defend itself in court while trying to silence families who seek the truth." A Scottish government spokesman said a public consultation around a new legal aid bill is ongoing and the Scottish government will consider entitlement for relatives involved in FAE.